First Flame, you know it's your girl Kayla, aka GPS. And I want to shout out to all my fans, all of the people that comment in the comment section and motivate me to do better. I love you guys so much. I don't reply back to the message that you may not have time because filming take a pull for time. I shoot for some people, you understand? So I'm busy, but I still soon message them sometime. My friend I scroll through them when we see it. And I appreciate you guys so much. And I love you guys. Guys, I wish we could have told the name of the movie about the interview, yeah, you know. It do before the movie even don't edit. So I don't know the movie name, but I think I want a nice movie. It's very watchable. Oh yeah.
I call the tea bag then because guys, to all me tired because yeah, 4 tea bag come like me I got sick, but I'm fighting it because I don't want to get sick. If I get sick, it's not gonna be no more movie. And a good news and bad news. We're going to Panama in December, but I definitely want to take Kayla with me and some of the crew. But if anybody out there wanna donate and help sponsor some ticket, no problem. You can, each person can send 1,000. It doesn't matter. Jamaican. We don't talk about US in the coming. Nobody go say US. We say no. Listen good. 1,000 Jamaican, but anybody in the overseas wanna send even $10, $5, no problem. We wanna get Kayla on the trip. We don't wanna leave Kayla behind, and also Che is behind the camera. We wanna take both of them because they deserve that trip. So those are only the 2 that I need to bring on board. So if anybody wanna help, please DM me at this number, please, and I'm begging you. It doesn't matter how much you have. I could have $100. It will help. One cocoa full basket. Blessed. Peace out.
Nice girl like you, man. I'm doing your sort of friend.
You're not a friend?
Yeah, man, I'm a friend.
Oh.
What's your name?
Who?
Your name?
Oh, my name is Kayla.
And call me Trey.
Oh, nice to meet you, Trey.
Yeah, so.
Me and the son. Oh, how are you?
Oh, I decided.
So you look a picnic?
No, you know me use clean me ears.
Your ears dirty?
No.
So you could clean your ears if you come on the road?
I make you a beer, so.
Oh, me a beer?
Something.
No, so you come on the road, they clean your ears and you look hot, you like me.
So something wrong with me?
What's not wrong with you? You look like a child. I'm a hot girl. Top
To me, I
girl.
clean my ears, me I be like, if me did the walk with the dirty ears now, you see me, and then I chat to you and go looking at me, they say, so your ears dirty?
You're looking at your ears.
You would looking at me ears?
When you do clean inside your face, me I look.
So you single though?
Yeah, me I love nobody.
You live in the area?
Yeah, me live with you.
I'm have to go come visit you on the time.
This is who? Me?
Can you
Yeah,
give me
no.
number?
Me not phone pam. Me not phone pam right now, but my parents them are mad so bad
Me have
them.
phone.
Oh, let me give me number.
Your parents don't know about me.
But-
know about me.
If you want to get the coochie, you have to have money.
Money I lace, baby girl.
You say money?
I mean,
You can give
nice
her 50
girl like
grand.
you. I mean,
You have it now?
that's it. No, me have it for me hard.
Let me give me number.
Give me number now.
Thank you.
So you normally come out here though?
Yes, me I don't come out, but me come out.
Oh.
So, me not to, me don't tell you. Call me and later after I done chat to my friend, me call link you.
Skin clean though.
Yeah. You want to touch it?
You can't touch it.
Yeah, can't touch it.
Guys.
How much you have money?
Me enough money, man.
Alright, bye.
Me go call you now. Make sure you have the phone, you know.
Yes, you have the phone, come on the money.
Boy, girl, that's sexy. You stay.
I remember how to
You may have come look for, but me have to stretch from early cause you already know me and the dog they don't listen like me, so me did have to warm up my body for running.
They never back off of me.
That are you or your friend
So-
right there.
Miss everything like girl.
Speak.
Miss me only could pamper man done this so.
Aye.
But money, but me don't want him. But me don't know what I go do but long as me I get the money. I want the money.
Me understand about here you know. What if you continue to take one man money and when he come find you or something and you do something bad to you? How you go?
Nothing bad now happen. Because remember say you're my friend and you can't fight. And me can't fight.
Okay.
You beat him up for me.
Aye. Either ways. Come on go back up on the yard.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me say yes already girl. Me now walk past the dog them done this up.
Well, I'm telling you where I come from.
Where? Speak.
Over Joe, over the old man yard.
Where do over this up?
I'm going to go wine for him so. I get
Tell her.
money. Mr. Girl, just wine so.
You just wine so?
Yeah, I still give you buy a little can grape. I'm stash other some money.
How much money I get for that?
20,000. I'm saying only now since I be just wine. I'm just touch him, just rub him down. I'm just go mwah. I'm blow him kiss.
Because me feel sense them not function right to get so much money now.
But
But
no,
you think a $2,000 in figure and you get so much money?
You're not going with nothing. You steal out. You don't want nobody.
No, yeah, no. You see? Me did go over here, you know. But I know from us draw one. You see him brother one? Yeah, me go over there. And when me see old man who say, anyhow you walk past and you twerk for me give you 100,000. Me say, no, that too enough. And so I say, me don't believe that. So he say, alright. Then he say, you want proof? And me say, yeah. He say, twerk. I'm just turn and I'm go so. And when me do that, then no, me see man just start flinging money for me, so you want me grab them up. He said,
Tell
do
me
it
again.
again.
Tell me
He said,
again.
do it again. I'm give you 100 more.
Do it again.
No, I'm go so. Yes, me say when me do that, when me look girl and wife, me see her come. Me say me just creep when me can't creep and me zoom gone. Me say, girl, when me reach up, me say, go, me have to hide from my mother and something go put on the money. Yes,
You take so? You take so?
yeah, me it go like say we go over the toe. Yes,
Oh,
I'm
what
hit
you want,
the jackpot. I know you. And me say,
No,
anytime
yes,
me look now and wife that me see her come, so me grab up on me, I grab up and me run go over.
Eh?
You see? Yeah. So
Tell any other man.
You could have clocked him done, man. I'm going to go back over there to work again.
Next day I go, me want to come and to work too.
Yeah. And that's why me did a call me to tell you my good news.
no, sir. That's easy, man.
Hello, sir.
Oh, how long till last?
No, my last year from here.
What me look like? Me look like me not get fire?
I said, guy, first time me I see you.
Alright, first time me I see you. How we a try pull? Stun palm me? Eh?
Anyways.
No, talk and no touch. You're a stranger. Talk and no touch.
Yeah, you sick, you have
The
no
last
yeah.
woman touch me, she breed. Don't touch me.
Then that's nothing wrong with that.
No, nothing wrong with it. Don't say that. You can't say that. You don't know if me can maintain, baby. No matter, you see, una woman, that's not always a problem, you know. Because you tell you, a man, you just go lead with a man.
You look nice though.
No compliment me. Me not look nice. Don't do it. Me look raggedy.
What do you?
Don't do it. Me pick me tell me that every man.
I first one woman actually attack to you or something, make it like one so.
No. Come on, tell me.
Then what issue?
The issue is.
Something about you, man. Not tell us.
No. Not tell me about no something about me. If you try to impress a man, be elegant.
Ellie who?
Elegant.
Ellie who?
Elio.
Anyways.
No. Why you can't talk without the
My
touch?
name,
What's your name?
my name Alien.
Oh, alien.
Yeah.
Which one are the alien?
The person.
Oh, the person.
Obviously, I mean the person.
You don't sound like a you because every time you tell us I don't touch, you still touch.
So what's so hard? You afraid of woman or something?
No, I don't afraid of woman. That's something you beg. Because anytime woman I beg, then start calm down nicely and start rubbing it down. It's just like when you text a man on WhatsApp and you say hey, and the man say hey. Check them out. Me teach you how to beg when you look a fake self. When you text a man about hey, and the man say hey. Yeah, no, what's up? The man said nothing. When the man asks you, you start go bad. Because guess what? And when the man asks why, you start lead to the problem.
Me and other people are the same thing.
No, I try to show no woman feel like you're smart. You only text man when you want something.
Alright, me get straight to the point. Me see how me like yeah, me did that one day if you could have buy me a juice.
Same damn thing.
Awa.
Buy you a juice. I just know me, I mean I know you.
So now some people get to know each other.
Alright, you don't mind me ask you, say, like how me just know you. You don't mind give me a...
If you ever.
See it? So I'm trying to show you. So.
Woman and man are two different things. Come on, baby, get to know each other first. Like, no money for you, we could have gone place though. You know?
Come here, Coachy.
Just go drink, chill and relax.
No. Me have me picking, me not drink. Me have one girl picking me. And me no want drunk. Me want to make sure say me see every wrong that she do.
So you don't have no form of money.
Hello.
Like, fire, nothing.
Hello. Are you digital? Don't touch me. Back away. Please. Go and talk to pastor. I think you need blessing. Back away.
Just relax.
Me say back away.
Afraid of woman?
No, I'm not afraid of woman. Just back
So
away.
make you act so weird.
Okay, you move like digital.
Just
Back away. Don't come near me. You hear me?
I been for that.
I shut your back so tight. You see?
Sit. You have money.
I will shut. Open up your mouth. Make me make Wally talk. Just
You don't like me.
open up your mouth.
Make it talk now, but you know, the right way.
Girl, go on where you go. Unu go make man take you away. I'm bury you. Can't not licky. Go on. You're not going to me a dollar in my wallet. Go on. Go on. I'll phone
You
mama.
afraid of woman? Boy.
I'll phone mama and father. I want to know how they maintain. For me go to one dumpling a day.
Girl, and if you get to my mind, talk about your father all day.
How me forget man, I'm just tell you when me do and get nearly almost 100.
Just one man come put in here. Me tell me go do. I want to start bury your house. You know, find there can my little spooky doing there. Can I know you stop?
You can't do that because my father rarely there. Sometimes he got drink rum and so and from when him say want to cut out that the habit there, I know we can't cut out.
Girl, come tell one man if you do one day. So if I drink a joke, you tell hold him on the road and beat him.
No, me not beat me pa. I him give me look a chin sometimes. You better you say when he did that we can roll him down one hill and some, but we not beat him. That
But we not beat him hard.
How we are there? I can't go on the road in peace and come back and see nobody here. Eh? What me always teach you, sir?
And we might talk to.
We ever teach me
It's
say that?
sweet.
Yeah?
Huh?
We ever teach me say
I teach you that. I tell you not to follow bad company.
I tell you not to follow bad company. Because I don't see the bad company.
No.
Let me help you look.
No, me know say I'm mad somebody you are follow. And you are following my mad. You are
No, you say bad company, so me I look for it because I know say I know she a bad company. You can't see
No, they
somebody
can't
where we
fall.
can't see.
Blow in my eye, blow in my eye, blow in my eye. I'm still not see it, so I don't know where they talk about. My bad company there.
Daddy come
My bad
on.
company there.
I Roma, my Roma make you see doubles in no daddy.
Eh, come and I want to argue with people.
Me say I go to school, right? And you're out of school. I'm a plan to say I go to sixth form. And she say she a pastor daughter, matter of fact. And I see you want to follow.
Then a good son that a pastor daughter she
Right.
Me a follow her so that me can get closer to
I'm a
God.
father, the pastor, not me. My father.
Right.
I'm not a Christian. And them are the Christian. I'm not a deacon. And them are that. Never me. I never go to church to do all of that. But anyways, girl. Well, you know, you have up me, you know, come on, sit down, but you know, you really have up me, you know.
So you got to be paying you know?
No, before that, I try to look up, I try something first.
What that?
So I want to put this on.
So me I try to show you. Stop notice people wallet. Stop notice people wallet.
Oh, you know, say what you have there.
Stop it. Stop it, man. And you sit down. Sit down.
I look, me want look.
Sit your backside down. We talking.
You know, so you're really handsome.
Really? Come on,
Go and tap look my father.
Your father got money. Me want money, man.
So tell me, if my father got money, you really think so we'll live yourself? Come on, the
Come on.
condition of your house.
Come out of my yard.
Anyways, make go check my man right now, because your father not going with nothing.
Go on.
You see, if you ever see you bring her back here, you see them 2 foot there? Now pop them so.
Daddy, you're barely there. So if me bring her, yeah, you're not gonna see to pop my foot there. So,
Okay. So show me barely there. You can't come here. Alright, if you think you're bad, can't come here tomorrow. Can't come here tomorrow if you think you're bad. Me I go on the road. Can't come here tomorrow.
go on.
Because just use me to and one clap in your ears them together. Go on in.
Me not ready to go.
Me say go on in. Go on in.
Every time you're abusive, so that's why mommy left you.
Your mother left me because me know the truth about her. Go on in.
Which truth that there? So
You
you
don't,
never
even,
tell.
you don't even know. Alright, that's how I feel. Yeah?
How do you get the money out of myself?
Me tell you, say, at the time, at the month, the bell bottom hurt me, I said it hurt me bad.
So they can't know where you live.
In due time, we know that, man. Don't worry about that, you soon will start me live.
And you will stay a little bit time now and relax in my place.
Relax in your place and touch up here and everything.
Well, you come on, you can't that. You can't be good.
Me can't take good on my hand. So, I work 50 grand.
You mean you don't see your body look good?
Oh, that's what I like. Me promise some money, they're going to get.
It's all going tomorrow.
No, it takes 5 days to get.
5 days. So I have to wait more than 5 days.
Yeah, let me call Link and
That's
fix
it,
it
you
up
me like you,
properly.
man, go wait for 5 days.
Alright, back home. Bye. Here?
Best day warm in my chest.
Yes, then if you want. Bye. Go on over now?
I'll go over.
So go on.
Make sure you text me now.
Yeah.
Alright.
Later.
Later.
Take on those part if you come to my yard.
What we plan to do with Kayla?
Well, she a big girl and she have one subject, that's all we have to do.
Have 5 subjects Kayla have, you know. Kayla have 5 subjects, you know. And when if you talk to Kayla, you know, last night I get a vision about Kayla, you know, and the vision I get was not a good vision, you know. He kind of a sire. Me get a vision last night, man. It was not a good vision about Kayla. When if you talk to Kayla before we go to work.
So what kind of vision I get about her?
After when we go up on the road, we talk.
No, we have to talk about
we
it
can't
right
talk
now, so
about
no,
it
me
now.
want to know what kind of
We
vision
can't
you get
talk
out
about
of
it now.
Why?
We need to talk to Kayla first.
Well, if you say you can't talk about it now, and I feel with data, and you can't talk about it now, me need to talk about it now.
Kayla,
I don't feel comfortable.
Yes, Daddy.
come here. Hear my daughter.
My daughter, good daughter, so I know what kind of vision you see you with it. Eh?
We need to talk to you now, Kayla.
No, Daddy, me not do nothing.
Kayla, you have 5 subjects. Kayla, I know why you follow no company, you know, Kayla. I no grow you, see, no, Kayla. I grow now one Christian home, you know, Kayla. Kayla, you have 5 subjects and some company, me say you keep, you know, Kayla. Isn't that a good company, them, you know, Kayla?
But I'm around with my friend them. They alright. They're not bad.
Oh, you know that, Kayla?
Cause I'm my friend.
Kayla, me I talk to you. Me your father, me love you, no. You're my one daughter. Me love you, Kayla. Me no want nothing to you.
Hey. Don't listen to him. He say he get a vision about you. And me ask you what kind of vision I get about her. And she can't tell me.
Kind of vision I get, mommy.
Kayla, me get a vision last night, say, one girl beat you.
Me?
Kayla, me get the vision last night. You know anything when your father go in bed, go sleep and dream and get up and see. I see him so you go, Kayla.
No, that dream didn't walk straight.
And it a go walk straight in
Thank
Kayla.
you. There's a gym don't walk straight.
This a dream I go walk straight in
You
Kayla.
know walk straight.
And you see with you know as a mother must set a mother responsibility. Stand up as a mother for your daughter. You get what me I say? I
But
told you
like
have
that,
to do
me,
this.
listen to me. Adapt me. You see, you get a vision. And me tell you, say, talk about the vision. And stop telling people nonsense.
Then me not talk about the vision and me tell me say me go and me
And
go
I
and
feel like
somebody
they say,
beat her.
no go so.
Alright, no go so.
No go
You wait
so.
till until push come to show. You will see if no
No
go so.
so.
And as a mother,
follow me here.
you see all you?
Alright.
You see all you? No follow.
Don't follow
See all
him.
you?
Yeah, but I go out here bed and dream about something.
Right.
You can't go bed and dream. Say,
Because God give me a gift.
Thank you.
There's a gift that God
Are
have
you take
given
it
me.
clean?
God give me the gift there. So you're my only daughter, me get a vision, me must can talk to you.
Kayla,
Yeah.
what one?
Tell me there, girl. You good?
Yes, I am very much good. Tell me
Hey!
why you're morning.
Stop.
Good morning.
Okay.
Good morning.
Say that, see me. I saw me
Good
say,
morning,
Okay.
Mr.
Good morning.
Okay.
And good morning, Mrs. Smith.
Okay.
Yes. I saw you every time me come up here to you, your family Lord.
I thought they said they have a vision for me.
No, not
Oh.
me.
Oh, my father said he get a vision and say somebody beat me.
Either ways, me come to invite you out on the road. You coming?
Yeah, me I come.
What's your
No, we
You
don't
know
do
what
nothing
to
bad. We are going library, we are going study.
Kayla, you can't say me no want you, Kayla. Kayla, you can't say me no want you.
Oi, you tap your eyes, you know. Who's friend? Come here.
No, me at best. Me tell you
Which
library, we
one
are
is?
going to study, you know.
We got library go study.
Yes,
All
now
right.
we plan to
You
do
didn't
fifth
tell me about
form.
library.
No, Miss tell about library. It slipped my mind. It slipped my mind.
So all that's visit your mind.
Because of library and she motivate me to go. Because I don't want to go, you know. The one time.
Mr. Lincoln, you need to fix your veranda, yeah? A while ago, I think say this did sturdy, but January, you must really coffee.
So why you come to see one back?
Well, and them your out of that company, I'm pretty say
No,
you keep.
yeah, I don't alter that.
alter
A
this.
safety precaution. Me I tell you, what if no you they come here and sit down here so and then you jump off? How we go? Eh? You can't see me about 1 year no. You see me?
You not go for around ground.
But
The greatest thing you not go for around ground.
Alright. Here know everybody. You. Make sure you do your phone already now.
You left the yard?
Don't left the yard. Come here,
Alright.
work and me no want late.
Okay, we not left the yard. We not bother left the yard.
yeah, we not bad at it. Me I go just go down and go feel book them and we come back up as a course.
No, you not bother go to the book. Me have book in my house. Oh, we borrow them Bible.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are
Yeah.
going to keep the portion.
You know, I forgot right, Daddy.
Yeah, me I go work.
Okay.
I'm going to work.
Have a nice
But make
day.
sure me come back, me see in the yard.
Yeah, come
And
across
when
me
me
right
mean
as
in
well.
the yard, me mean in the yard.
Yes, right just in the yard.
Read me lips. In the yard. Me want to see you when you come back.
In at the yard, you want to see me when you come back.
That what I just said.
Yeah, in the yard.
Okay, so I'm going to work
In the
now.
yard, yes, yeah. Yeah, don't be
I
late.
got to work now.
So what you want me to come back for you?
Anything. Anything.
Anything
Come back
sell
here.
a shop? Hey, anything sell a shop?
Yeah.
So
Come
we
back,
got
come back
shop
on
for
juice.
all
Come back on juice. Alright.
So anyway, me I come go work and make sure say me see unu in the yard. Me see you in the yard.
Me inna the
and
yard.
don't go on the road because if vision on me get, me think say one girl beat you.
You see you?
You see the face.
Hey, stop it there, mate. I get to see your face. You see how your face look?
How my face look?
You don't see a stain on the grass.
No. Me no know snake on the grass. I am a very honest kid. I grew up with my
Anyway.
grandmother in church.
Anyway, me I gotta work and me no want it.
Anyway,
Bye, mommy, bye.
me I come go work myself too. And me no want late myself. And make sure say me come back and sit in the yard. And
Right,
when
that's
me in
all.
the yard, and don't follow no company.
See, mommy, I'm going
And you
to
say if you not teach me picnic nothing good, don't keep in company.
Understand.
Cause this is a Christian home. I saw me grow my picnic.
Yes,
You get what me say?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes, daddy. Yeah.
Yeah, girl, you really make this. Don't talk to yourself. Come on,
Let me
girl.
talk to them. Because
But
we are too late, we can't go over far. Man, I wish girls up think them bad if you want to come beat me.
One day. Either way, come here. Look here. You see when we go around, we gonna create our own destiny.
Yeah.
You can't make them tell you what to do. Yeah, yeah.
No, nobody can run my head. I want to do road, me young, I want to do road, I
No
want to mash
wonder
up
how you
road.
put up with them for so long. Them are going to talk about, oh, you know, fit this way, you
When me I
know,
go
fit
move,
that.
when me I go move.
You can't call it with me, no?
Yeah, yeah.
You-
Where you yard? Where you
What
yard?
type of friend you be?
But
Me yard they done this so you know come at me yard every time I come there you want me tin mackerel missing.
that little broke down board house there. You can't move outside, come down there.
But Koya, feel better.
You kind of better than yours. Because right now, it's up in my mind. Yes, you
Come there
know,
must go on. Come.
you have to see me doing now.
Me know.
Do again. Do again.
Meet again.
Oh, no, we don't meet again. We don't meet again. I'm free to walk on the road. You're free to walk on the road. You don't meet
Stop
me.
going like you don't like me.
Me will charge you for harassment.
Oh, I'm telling you, I want to hear your friend, man.
Oi, me will charge you for harassment. Only when a woman look something, you know man. Listen,
Me not
this is
look
not.
nothing. Me can't. I like me see and like you can't just relax. Calm down.
Oh, you like me?
Yeah,
What you like about me?
everything. You just look good.
We look good.
Mm-hmm.
You
You
sure?
look nice. I like it. This is my talk.
Yeah, talk without the touch.
Me like your shirt.
Uh-huh.
Me like your pants.
Uh-huh.
Me like your pants and me
I
not
search your certain pocket and see. God, I show you a sign because you see your God a flashlight because God knows that. Right. Father speak. Only woman is only looking for man with money.
Me nah look for the man with money. I try to tell you say you look dapper today. You look very good. You put together. Me like how you look.
Put together.
You look nice. You look like you can buy me a drink today.
Buy you a drink today.
Yeah.
You go to church?
I'm a. Me a.
Mm-hmm.
Me go one of them so. Me go yes. Me go church and the Bible says
Yeah.
that we must not
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
go against the Bible.
That's all you know?
Yeah, and it's that a woman who finds a man finds a good thing.
No! It's not so it goes, Miss Love.
Me believe in a Jesus!
Yeah,
And
yeah.
he sent me right here to do that.
Yeah,
You are the man for me.
You believe in a Jesus and
Yes.
you say the righteous and you say me the right man.
Yes.
A liar.
Oh,
That's a liar.
how you look?
That's not Jesus talk to you.
Talk to you. You
Yes,
don't look nice.
yes, Jesus.
I want you don't want me.
Huh?
You don't
When
want
it's just appropriate,
So me not dress appropriate.
No.
Me not long twice a
No.
long blouse.
anybody when we tie fish show and look apple in front of them, it's not a good man. Anybody will try if you push up them boobs to man and I rub down man pocket and I check if money in the pocket here, or money in this one, or money in the back pocket, it's not a good man.
Oh, you guys are stingy. That one so
It's
now
not
I like me
stingy.
like you. Me like you. Listen up. Me like you. I mean, I
No,
want
no,
me and
no.
you start.
You see, if you didn't like me, don't approach me like that.
Me like you but true. Alright.
No.
Me sorry. Me approach you later. We'll meet again.
No, the wrong approach. Do it again. Do it again. Let me show you.
Hello.
No.
Me not in this video. You like me or you
Let
not
me
like
teach
me?
you. Oh, you're going to be a real lady.
Okay.
You see, if you want a good man,
Yeah.
this is how you get a good man.
Yeah. Oh, I get it.
If I walk, you see me walk past on the road. Excuse me, sir. Can I have a little minute with you? You call him over, right?
Yeah.
You ask him his name. You ask him where he's from.
Yeah.
You get to like, you tell him, say,
No, I'm listening. Yeah, listen to you.
where you from, right? You ask him all of that.
Yeah.
You take his number.
Yeah.
You say, let's be friends. You take his number, you get to know him. You get to know him background. You get to know for your background, because some of the background dirty.
So my background clean. Clean like picture frame.
Some of the women don't got the grip, but you don't got no grip.
I got the glue, the grip, and the glamity. Me have everything.
You know what you have?
Me have a vice grip.
You know what
You
you
know it's a
have?
vice grip. That's the grip that I have.
You know what kind of grip you have?
Yes, the miss grip. Grippy.
You ever cut a guava?
Mm-hmm.
Right. And when you see that?
See that is.
Good. You know what that means? I just play fart here chat right now. Play seed in your head to go on in your yard.
I want that dusty man. But wait, I must get something for you. Okay, I can't find somebody else.
I'm tired, man. And you do not walk up and me do all the walk up because I chat to you. It's easy to scam people.
Me did send if we go do that, the job did not you pick up that professional.
More money.
Same.
Pimp him again. Oh God, the poor boy. But you know, you say no sense. In your chair, you know no sense. In fool for me. I'm an idiot that.
That's why I had this in my pay day and taking money so.
But you know, no girl could do me that. You idiot? But it makes sense. Yeah. So you're mad for that.
In gone from the road, in gone from the road. Most likely we are run bar and go meet.
Oh. You understand. But girl, me know you feel no way some of make a see the man but I true me when you give me like a twerk dance. No man.
See which man?
Eh?
See which man?
Pastor man.
See which
The pastor man.
We got Bible study and one man did one look shit. I'm a walker and
Me no want you. Me no want you. When you, listen me. I want you. Right? I want you.
I want or say I want. You say you know you're a sick fellow.
Me not tell you to come back in the yard.
Why don't back in your yard?
How your father is a blasted idiot. You know, she say he's a bad little picnic. And a thief and a criminal.
No, he's a blasted idiot. For realizing your daughter is an idiot.
Hi. That's why I had this.
You see? Show me your friend and me tell you who you are. He's a bad little picnic like a sheep.
Me no bad kid.
Him.
I feel apartheid jeans this year. I feel apartheid jeans.
Which part?
So.
And your mother part of jeans again?
No.
You whole lot, you don't see a favor mama. You don't favor me.
You me
Everything.
favor. The only thing me do come out pretty.
So I call me ugly.
Indirectly, yeah.
I call I ugly.
Indirectly.
Stop it kind of ugly. Because I see my light. My own. And you're the only man ever refused me.
Hello. Hello.
Look, crackers, behave yourself.
You still have this bed. Breast milk still there in your mouth. So I don't know what you're
That's
talking
what
about.
I me know I want you. I want
Wow.
Daddy.
What?
Daddy.
What?
He said talk to you.
No,
Let me
listen.
talk to you now. Should I say talk to you? How are you?
I'm fine.
Which part you did there?
I was on the road.
Doing?
I want big nose girl. Every time you see me on the road, you try to pick me like me an idiot. A while ago, I try, oh, we meet up again. Can we deal with the stuff that was? I don't do
Me not
that.
go pimp you.
Stop touch me, pa.
But me want your father. Are you the right man? Because you know better. You know what is best.
You know what you do? If you want to go on, go on from the road.
Where will you go for a road, Cody?
I don't think it's anything you
Who
want to
you
go
want
on.
here come here?
No, me are going in bed. You go on the road.
We take one.
Good father.
One.
When you go,
Why not tell you how to chat to him? What me say?
Me say me not gonna wait.
Me don't want you back in here.
Yeah. Which part me I go?
Come.
Girl, me a wait for you now.
Come away from you. One.
Me a wait for you. Oh, come for you talk to your father, no man. Talk to your father, me want your father.
Just talk to me for where.
Me don't mean that way then.
What me just say a while ago?
Me wait, no me not go nowhere yet. Me soon go on. Me
One.
tired.
Come on, tired. Out of yard.
Me say me not going nowhere. Sure.
Come pick me, come on. Say father, make you come out there. Come on now.
Make sure you come back here.
I'll test me. You see no?
Test me for what?
Alright, man.
Yeah, go ahead and me a come back
What?
with you now.
Me soon come.
Come in. Come back with me. Come back with me now. Alright.
Hello. Evening.
Evening.
So you can't go and so
Yeah, talk to me, just touch me so.
because me like how you look.
Like how me look.
Yeah, you look like my type.
I mean, just regular fishing, me have fishing.
That means you have money then.
So me fishing, that means I have money.
Then the fisherman not make money.
And I sell myself fishing, I miss.
Then what you do? What you do for your
Catch fish,
living
I
then?
cook me dinner.
No, what you do for your living?
Oh, the business man.
Oh. Business.
Me?
I like that. Yeah, you can start out something, you know.
Start out, what kind of stuff?
Stop going like you do.
I don't know, you said something we can start out.
How long you live on earth for?
Long.
So you must know when me say start out something, agree to something, make a plan or do something.
Oh, you want work-wise? This is your talk about. Work-wise. I want
No.
you want to be fishing buddy. I want to be fishing buddy.
Or something with body, but me no know.
That's a bit funny.
Think about it, you know. You have money. Yes. You have both money.
No.
So we can do something then.
No.
Yes, right now. Just make sure you have money, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, money.
So how will you live?
Alright.
Alright, that's where you live?
Yeah, just out of the yard, I come from.
So where you want with it?
Are you they make plans, you know, Mr. And me I make the plans, so yeah, make the plans.
Just make sure you have money. Once you have money, everything go good.
So, if me don't have money, you don't do no.
No. But if you do that without money.
Yeah, come.
Yeah, come on.
Sure. We don't ramp.
That would make sense. You can't do it. Take your money, shoot you up.
Me did tell you things, so me nah, man. No, me need bother to go out, no. We can't go by the beach and I'm go tired and we can't go catch no fish.
Anyways, that money.
Oh, your money. Hold on. Well, listen now.
How will you take me for? Where money? Where money will you say have in your pocket?
You have no money for me.
So I trick me? I trick me?
You know, trick you know me. You see me, you don't know me from Adams. You just say, I'm just
And you just rule. After you tell me say I have money, where money there? Where money? Where money? And money me I look
so
money.
let me get the money now.
You can't just walk
Let
me
me
right
go,
on
let
me
me get it.
now. Who only pain and them belly bottom and this there tell me say you not no money.
Money.
Hey boy, why you not? Why here? I have to book you. Let this come on.
Yeah.
If me ever see her around,
Shut your mouth,
think me
what's
the
that?
ask you say, who that girl is? I think we know everybody.
So much that I'm not going
Don't know what you need. Yeah. Hello.
You're so brawling and just walk up and touch the people themselves.
What's your name?
Where you touch me from?
I'm not touch your fa.
You
I'm
know
seeing
why
on the
you
area.
touch me? So, me knew.
You know where you come from?
Which part of it?
Me not have to tell her that.
No, such a
The girl
bright.
come in our area and I'll go and like you want to try this way for me.
So,
Girl, me bun the nose.
bad so?
Yeah. Chop.
Hello, yes, my name is Kayla. What's yours?
Kira.
Kira. She's like Kira.
So, 3K, Kayla, Kira.
Right. Choke on my friends.
No.
Not true.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
No, she not have no manners when I like it. I
You have manners.
Ask her again because she not
Don't
none.
speak up in my face. Chop.
Stop
You
being
still
so.
have a stick.
Hello.
Thank God your favor
Hello.
back up.
You know, come this my friend. Now what she say about stick? Don't me
Then
start
talk
on
to your
you.
friend.
Behave yourself. As me as you know, so I will live away.
My mother.
Your mother? See madam who come from?
Same thing.
Same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so me gonna move.
Nothing.
So just move and come in and something.
Mm-hmm.
Unless I get a life, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, mommy has a different skills. Where you go?
Me not gonna win, me not take a
You
walk.
should have a partner.
I beg she vex and gone.
Make she go on.
You talk about make she go because my number one friend that.
Then go on too.
My girl, take me touch this me mom. You send me here.
You're bad so?
I'm more than bad so.
Alright.
So everything alright?
Mm-hmm.
Girl, walk come on here so. We have a conversation about life and prosperity.
Yeah, girl.
So you know how man?
Me not have no man else here come. Me want one man. Me have to go look one man.
Eh?
One
man
rich man do.
Man, which man you look? Come here, me like one man in here. Man, which man you
One
look?
cute black boy, not sure.
You see cute black boy? You think you find come here, juke out your eye.
It
Yeah,
why you have to
me
go
too.
fight for him.
No, me not fight for nothing. Come here just...
As me as a girl, me want some money.
Don't get money from
You
me.
know what money?
What are we can
Then
do?
one man. How we got to move?
No, or you can go sell your body from the bridge.
Me and you.
Why?
But you tell me if you do that, what we have to do it.
No, me not do that, baby love.
Then me not do it either.
Look girl, listen to me. You have the face, you have the body, you have everything. You will get any man you want. You understand?
You understand? As a friend, it's what we
You
have
can go
to do.
see. You got church. Yes.
Hello.
And the library, yes, daddy.
I just say library, you say you come.
No, library, me I come from daddy.
Which library you talk about?
The library downtown.
Library downtown.
Yeah.
Kayla,
Eh?
you tell me say you left go library.
Yeah.
And the library are roadside there upon Kayla.
Daddy, I walk, me follow. Oh, me I walk.
Hello.
Hi,
Who are you?
my name is Kira.
Kira. And who are you to my daughter?
She's my friend.
She's your friend. Okay, you know, he's a Christian, you know, a certain type of attitude, you know, really tolerate, you know. You understand me?
Yes, me
And me teach him, I always teach him, say, don't keep no bad company.
What's your real bad company?
Me can't admire that. Are you a Christian?
Yes, sir. I'm a church.
Which church? Hold on. So, oh, you're a Christian and you're just so.
Hey,
Look
no
at all
feel
the
me
navel.
clothes.
Look at all the navel ring and them something. The Christian not after you so.
Say,
You don't give Christian bad reputation.
that doesn't say.
You come here, you never talk no bad.
Right.
You come here, you never talk about nothing bad, no man, nothing bad. You come here, you never talk about.
Look here. Me not have to come here but talk about nothing bad. Look on the girl that dress, or girl dress. And I see a bad company she a pick up.
Look where your daughter in a way a Christian. Leave her alone.
And
You
look
don't come here, you
But
never
number
talk
one,
about- listen to me, you don't come here, you never talk about no man.
Me never tell Kayla to left the yard.
You
You say me go library.
She alright, I will upward she said she go to the library. I will say, oh.
But when she go library, me never see her in a something, I know something like that she wear. I could never that you go library.
No, I want to have my clothes. See me, daddy.
I see licking on you.
I'm in the left the yard.
Who?
I'm in the left the yard neither.
Concentrate your son. No. Thank you, lick you.
Right.
Turn up your
Yeah,
son.
Christian, I feel like with.
Anyway, since I say you're a Christian, we have some Bible study and something up for we. I'm not interested. Are you interested?
I want a good friend. Listen to me, the good friend. You see next one I did have,
Yeah.
eh? I never say she a bad company, you know, but you can stick to she more.
Yeah, that friend, let me see how we talk to. Across is that, but guess what?
No,
You look
Daddy,
like
no,
you will
don't
change.
do that.
You
Don't
look like
do
you will
that.
change.
Me prefer next friend. Right. Me prefer the next friend too. My number one friend.
Me
That.
you
Right.
look like more upward and mother. No disrespect.
No, it's my daughter.
You look like you will
No,
upward
but
with your
listen.
daughter,
Hello, no, listen. Remember, I
Don't
don't
slap
know
off your
you.
face.
Shut up,
No, stop our face, can't go on yourself.
I know that. Remember, say you're Christian, no, Daddy. Me, I don't know.
Anyway,
Listen, me
anyway,
know-
come
me
on.
know the
Anyway,
next
come.
friend.
We are go up here, because we are Bible
Jesus.
study later. Come.
Alright.
Look come. Okay, look come.
Girl, like who your mother and your father turn to?
They're not Christian. What are they?
No man, they can't be.
Because I'm not me to live with you. It just me that want to look day and have problems.
If they deal with me, if them attack so, how they deal with you?
Worse, they chat every day, they get up there and chat there and read Bible. Oh, yeah, coach.
Yeah, me could go road tonight. One party I keep down the road.
You can't go on the road tonight. I'm sorry.
You're too fool.
No, it's not a matter of foolishness. Me come out the house night yes, but yes or no.
Country window.
No. Me not gonna nowhere left my friend and my friend not like you. So we can't go on the road. Me have to back up my number one friend. Kena, she's my heartbeat. My wonderland. She's my friend. Understand?
Yeah, me
So what? We
understand.
need to get a man so man can. Hi, mommy.
Hi. You know.
Yeah,
You get ready?
Yeah.
You get ready?
yeah.
Alright. Where does you come from?
Me live right down the road, but we moved from St. Elizabeth.
Okay. So your work?
Yeah, me work.
Which part of work?
One supermarket.
Where's supermarket name?
And Mr. Chin supermarket.
You can get to work down there here.
Yeah, me can get one work for you, yes.
No.
Yeah,
What you
me
mean
work.
Me can't let school and jungle look up something.
Mm-hmm.
No, so I don't want supermarket work. Me don't want to work at
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with supermarket.
No, me go to school for 5 years and me now come and left go work at supermarket. You're mad.
So who never go to school?
Probably you have 5 subjects, me have how much you got.
You don't have to tell her that, girl.
You don't have none. I don't have supermarket with me. Daddy get me a job, which part him work.
Well, call him.
Me get a high class job.
Well, call him and tell him that.
Yes. Daddy! Boy, you want people work at supermarket. Without a bother. Look at the supermarket.
Yes.
Come here!
Yes, my nice clean daughter.
Yeah. We need that work because mommy the time when you want me work at supermarket.
What kind of supermarket work?
No, ask mommy that.
Hello. My daughter can left school in 5 subjects and thinks him go work at supermarket. Me never send him go to school for work at me change for work at
So wrong with
supermarket.
supermarket work.
Listen to me. Our people are not no subject. If I go do teaching and go do police work or do something else, or me get work done at the place where me I work.
If you got turn police, man go be informer.
And every police are informer. Me tell you
Everybody
that.
is an informer.
You can't use everybody fat for everybody fat. You see, me tell you something. What kind of work? You see, any work you want me, I will make you be the make you do the work. You get what me I say?
Yeah.
Nobody go talk about you go work on supermarket and this. Let them little people not know subject. You understand me? A 5 subject you have, sit down pan. You have maths,
Don't listen to
English,
him, yeah?
you have maths, English, social,
Hello.
bio and physics.
Shut up
You
your
can get
mouth.
good job.
Shut up your mouth because me have subject and when me have subject and me still work at
You
supermarket.
see, you as a mother, I'm going to tell
Me
you,
have
with you
subject
as a
and
mother
work at
now.
supermarket. They have
With
some-
you as a mother,
Shut
you
up.
need
They have
to
some
put your picnic, you need to make your picnic pull up in
more
socks.
money, yeah?
And teach your picnic sense. And I talk about for work at
So
supermarket.
we're not wrong with supermarket work.
I don't want me
Sir, me can say something to you?
No, we
No
have
problem.
You have a talk about people when I have subject work at supermarket. What wrong with supermarket?
No wrong with
And me and
supermarket work.
No, I was not talking to you, you know.
You
Me
look
throw me
like
stone
a
in a
little
akpen, you know. I mean, me never tell you akpen ball out, you know. Me say me no want me daughter work at no supermarket.
What have you said?
That's what I
want
just
work.
said. Read me lips if you don't understand what me say. Me
Which one you
no
want?
want me daughter work at no supermarket.
No do your mouth so.
I feel your motor off for
It
me.
no fit you.
I feel your motor off for me.
Stop it.
Sorry, sir.
Which one you say you want work?
Yes, I want to work at a Stripper.
Hey!
No, I
You know
want
that
hotel. I want hotel, daddy. I want hotel. Yeah, the
I'm gonna
hotel.
tell you something.
No,
You see anything with stripping? Or strip in or strip out or strip under? Me know why you walk this
I
up.
don't understand, daddy.
No.
No, daddy.
Me already
I want club
understand.
name, so.
I don't want club.
No, I out of that. Me know why you walking in a strip or nothing.
Daddy, you don't
So
have
wait.
to talk. You don't understand.
Supermarket no better than club.
Right.
I know club.
Alright. Supermarket better than club.
I know club.
Anyway, we are going to keep looking Bible study. And we have to talk about the Lord because in everything we have to put God first. No, say go.
Yeah, but that
Listen to me.
hotel.
There, but guess what?
Yeah, strip
Listen
the
to what
Lord.
I said. You see the Lord come first. If you not have the Lord in you, you can't work no way. The Lord, the Bible come first. Say, you see some of you that say, some of you not get you in life, you know, because guess what? We spiritual maga in the spirit. Only thing we want a man. That's not tell you go nowhere.
Everything you want a woman.
I know, Miss a one burner, don't do that.
I'm 8 near wife house.
Wait there. No listen to where back.
So you go,
Wait, no, you never have woman when you go to school.
when me I go to school, that was back then.
Yeah,
I was a jealous.
Well, me did have man when me I go to school. She must can get one little man. Because she
Imagine.
not gonna live under my roof is so long.
Imagine this big old booba back mama. I come talk influence a man in a family picnic life. You can't do that.
Get a rich man, you hear?
You can't do that.
Get a rich
Mama
man.
tell you something. Don't listen to what your mother say. Focus on your education because education is the key toward to success.
Listen,
Without
she have a
education,
son.
you
Listen to
can't
me
reach
now.
nowhere in her life. Listen
Hello.
to me now.
She have a 5 subject.
And she can get job.
Yeah, she can get job, but she need a man to calm down.
And I say go. And I say go.
Oh, you mean I say
Yeah.
go?
And I say go.
How you go then?
Oh, you want to be on lesbian?
Mom.
And I say go.
Take a look at me.
Maybe I'm going to
Get
go in
a
your
rich
house.
man, yeah?
Because you jam me tongue, you know.
Get
And
one.
see, come my tongue short, you're not going to jam your tongue.
Listen to me, can get a look at rich man.
Yeah, come on, I love you.
Alright, just get a look at rich man. Yeah.
My son can't talk Christian. You're not Christian.
Nothing wrong with Christianity if you get a man.
Listen to me. Go your yard. You know nothing good for do. Find your yard. You see nothing good for do.
Anyway, me are going.
See my good up mother they on my side. They want to take her from my side.
So here me I say to you now. You see certain pharma company, me know what you keep. You get what me I say? You know you talk to you. Me I talk to you, come out of your phone. You hear what me I say?
What you
You
say?
think of your mama this? You think of your ugly mama this? We are broke your bad. Look for me good. I'm here your father and listen to what me I say. Hear what me I say to you now.
What you say?
You see, certain type of company, me know why you keep. I'm why you get a good job. You understand me? Me know why you sit down and walk up and down pan road like a somebody we down a Sablama market, the madman they way down there. More you get a good job. You're a nice girl.
Well, you know,
As a father to a daughter, me I talk to you. This is not your mama, because your mama not no sense.
how you know that?
Your mama is a mad woman.
Listen to me. Me tell you what they say. Yesterday they say, we want to work. A strip. Strip is a hotel where they talk about God. It's a
You
hotel
can't tell me nothing about God, you know. Because strip is nothing now they talk about no God. You
Then
get what
strip
me I say?
God. Then strip God.
Who strip God? Me never see that in the Bible. Nothing that never in the Bible. They crucify God.
Oh.
They never strip God.
Oh.
You understand me? You're a good girl. This is a Christian home. And certain type of company they go call down demons in for me house. Me not run them joke there.
Nothing wrong with my friend.
Because me other day want demons in there so me asleep with already. You get what me I say?
Which part? Should I find the demons? Oh, me not see it.
Now your mama me a talk when I teach her nothing good as a mother to a daughter.
But you can't call my mother demons.
No, me I go tell you because she a broke you out.
No. Are you move to be the demons?
She a broke out like a day store. Now them people got hospital with big on them big on dirty ugly sore on their foot. Yeah. So each time she a talk to you, come like a sore and get be that inside life to heal up.
Kayla. Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Want me?
Talk to you, please.
Yeah, come in. I'm free to come here.
Let me ask you a question. Stop right there, sir. You don't see me a talk to her?
Say about me call to you.
You call to me, yes, but you see me a talk to you, not to share excuse.
Come on, come. My mother love you, so come in. No man, no pay my father, no man.
You know me a say, Kayla.
Daddy.
You're a picnic.
Mommy! Me what tell me
Your
no?
mother can't help you. You're a
Mommy!
picnic. You get what me a say?
Mommy,
I'm
no.
gonna grow you so.
Mommy!
Listen to me, but your mommy, you want to shame me. I go shame me in front of your friend. I go tell you say you know your mother this and your papa this. You get what me I say? Who is she?
I'm a friend.
And she a broke out here and talk about strip and this and strip and that. Eh? You hear me I say? And you another one too. You other one. Listen to me.
I want out here.
You shut off your mouth.
Want out here.
You shut up, you know.
Me say want
You
out
are the other one. You are the other one. You just come in and I come say me can't talk to you out of and bright so. You see me have a serious conversation with me pitney and you come with your I don't know what you say.
Want out here.
Inject me up.
Yeah, me jape him up. Me jape her up.
So me tell you say she can't come in.
Are you serious why me jape her up?
Listen
Because
to
you see
hello.
you is not a good mama. You're a workless mama.
Yeah,
You're workless. Imagine.
Look here.
Imagine. Listen to me now.
You shut up.
Man, what you do you know? Me
Shut
say imagine and listen to what me I say.
Shut up. Yeah, when me I tell you, say me prefer she. That me say, and that me mean I do not jab her up again.
And you call it bullbuck. And in this sense, your demons are sleeping in a bed.
So if you don't say me demons, they're married to me for in the first place.
Eh?
You know what? It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. You know what me I gonna say to you now? It's alright. It's alright. Continue. Shelly pick me so. Shelly pick me so.
Eh? Welcome, girl.
Me there. Good morning. Good morning. Me say, Kayla, there's not one time when me come here with your yard door festive. Either ways. Me has something to chat to you about now.
Yeah.
You see?
Talk.
Me don't rate that, you know.
Where don't you?
And me and your friend from childhood days.
Yeah.
You know me how long.
Yeah.
And how she retired yard before me.
Because my mother respects she more than you.
Oh, me no business. Oh, me business. Yeah.
Oh.
But girl, I don't rate that. You see, I mean your friend in Kayla, you say I mean I'm gonna be bestie till the those part. And you say you just dash.
No. Me no dash away. I do no one walk with she and me and she they walk. You understand?
Kayla, you already see me and
Alright, you what me I say. Me now want no pick the conference. So yeah. Soon.
Alright. Kayla, so I say Kayla, me no rate that. I mean your friend from how long Kayla, you dash more for she. She where you just know. You not even know her Kayla. Yesterday me walk
Kayla,
and
that be nice.
Shut up, me chat
Don't
with
tell me
friend.
to shut up.
Don't come here come indulge yourself in our
Listen to me.
conversation.
Listen to me. No, you shut up in my yard.
Shut up now. I want to do it to how now.
You not gonna disrespect my friend. Don't disrespect my friend.
And you can't go disrespect my friend in a
Oh,
fair
come
appearance
on.
yard.
What
You
me
kick
do?
you from here.
What me do?
You can't do me nothing, me just not like you.
Why?
You feel you come like Lasco face and chocolate, but you look on you.
How
You feel about Pinedo. Go on your ways. Me know you have to tell me that beer buckle.
Check
Go on
back
your
tomorrow.
ways.
Check back tomorrow. Check back tomorrow. Friday.
Check her back tomorrow. Go on.
Move on.
That's why you want to go work at Super Club.
Move on.
You look like go.
I talk to me. Unlike you when you work in a supermarket.
Either ways. Girl, me call you so me you can go and we walk as usual and we can just go on the road.
Yeah, me want to go up and me want a man.
Yeah. You know a usual thing, just tell the parents them say we soon come back and so on. You see me?
No, we don't tell us soon come back. We don't head out of the yard now.
Oh,
Can't
so
take my mad part.
hurry up
You
and
understand?
run. Hurry up and run.
You have to work on road too.
Yeah, me have to run.
What's up, girl? What? I don't talk to my friend, so I'm not feeling good tomorrow for that mission.
Yeah, do it again.
You can't understand. You don't like her and she don't like you. Where you want to do?
Oh, so you choose she over me?
No, but I'm not
Fancy
talk to you.
Do your thing.
Watch her. Really, if you have manners too, so she can't par with you too. She. I know she listen to me. Come put her here. Me take one of the two. Come put her here. Sure. You're going to par with her. Not at all.
Hey, girl! Pick me like the pizza me now. Calm and laughing with them. Chum. I want dry dead money me have in my pocket. Me hungry.
God is good.
Billy, give me my money.
Which money me have for you?
Girl, give me my money.
Nobody not take no money.
Mommy!
Ah,
Give me money.
no money for you, you deaf? Mommy!
All you think me no money for you? I'm telling you, check me, look at me. Give me my money.
Me not no money for you. Mommy!
I want money me have in my name, like we don't you know.
He come here, come push me down. Push her back.
I want
her back. No push me feet. Right. Out of order. Daddy!
you Billy, see me
You
money.
not leave no money for you, kind of left your hand from her.
Right.
You not just sit down on the road.
You don't leave your hand from
I
her.
want to go on out here, sir.
She push her wife.
Not in my Christian yard. I know say go.
Let me tell you what happened. Your dry head Billy just took out me one money when me have in my pocket.
Jesus Christ. Me not believe that. My daughter no thief. Me no go my daughter
Why
so.
not thief?
Me go my daughter in a Christian home. My daughter no thief. No do that.
A little mind thinks that tear me now and I post that relic butter I know. Me want me money.
Me no have no money.
Hold on.
She
Me
have
ask you a
your money and
question.
she don't leave the
Hold on.
yard.
You hold on. You thief her money?
No, that him not left for you like to somebody all along.
Girl, you see that
You
no
swear me in the
money.
yard?
money for you.
She don't leave the yard from her.
Me no go my daughter see some. Me no believe you.
Me did have 2 grand in my back pocket and you haul it out in a girl.
Me no believe you, cause me no go my daughter for thief. Me go my daughter in a church, Christian home this. No matter with that.
Out of order.
Hey.
Mark me word.
Go on out of the yard. Go on out of the yard, girl. Go on out of the
Look
yard.
here. Nobody come in here. Nobody come in me here with the banga.
Me mark me word right there so that I go share the road and make me buck your and tell me to get back money.
Yeah, yeah.
Try head pick me.
Yeah, either. Come me back yourself back in the car.
You want money me have to come take you out and take you out of my back pocket. Thief now what?
God. I only
Watch, on post, I go share with me when you thief if you short type people in patch. Watch, I make the buck out.
Hey, girl, come out of the yard with the crash yourself.
Make
Come
the
out.
buck, you see a little monkey.
Yeah, idiot.
Let the back stand up.
Me say, hey, no, you touch me that and me a turn back.
See me not joke with that.
I know that.
Me don't have the money.
Hey, girl, come out of me yard. Come out of me yard with the banger. Come out of me yard.
I know
You
that.
come say, hey.
Let me make me file the last one. You see little when just take, you're not get a worse one.
Yeah, idiot. You're fool, better you come out of me here. You're crazy. You come out of me here with a look with instruction, say I can't tell her about my daughter, but my daughter thief. It's not my daughter thief. I saw what you said, you come out of me here. Come out of me here. Have you ever church, the old time church bell when they used to ring first time? Right on out order.
Right.
You another one too.
Daddy, me not do nothing.
Me not tell us every time in our yard.
Me not come out of the yard.
People don't
Oh, you worry, because you don't
Hey,
see people
you
come
see
out
how
there.
me tell us you're a wicked woman, you know.
You don't see people come out
Me go my
there.
daughter with discipline, you know. Me no go me fitness, you know.
But you don't see she come out
Yeah, me
there.
left out of the yard.
You want go on?
You see string bean come here for him today.
I'll just shut up your mouth, you know, because you
Your
don't go
mouth is
argue, you know. You're
drinking
poiler,
from
you know.
where?
You're poiler, you know.
Me not spoil
Me say you're poiler, you
Me
know.
not spoil her. Me not want you take no set for me picnic.
You know why before me just
Right.
go and go drink some water, because you're poiler, you know. I mean, let's
You know say what, man, me to go
you know,
to
say
the
you
line.
make Christian turn back. You make Christian turn back, you know.
But you're not Christian for a man, but you just turn back and done.
You know what I'm going to go in.
Papa, if you do, I like woman that tell mommy, lie. We never drink the
Make
money.
sure say a lie.
We never left out of the yard, that's how they are long.
Make sure.
Sure, 100% sure. Must some water do, make me tired, my head that hurt me.
One
She
one.
chop me.
One
Yeah,
one.
you go in your yard, and you mix up and blem. Come,
What string bean me?
ching bean gone.
Fiwa.
No, she just run gone.
What do you mean she just run down?
She get vexed and gone.
Fiwa.
Me not know true sister me I put her on the bar.
So you know string bean long time, you see? And you put this a friend over string bean?
No, not do that. Ching bean just jealous. She jealous. But
Me not jealous. Don't touch me.
let me get some water, me.
Me not do one if you want it.
The woman push me hard. Me not going to daddy upset. What you want?
So what make you never push back the woman and he come here?
Look how she big. You see when you push daddy no push her back. Go on if you want her.
Go on if you want,
No.
I can't do nothing.
Daddy they go beat me. Go on in
He
first.
can't do nothing.
Go on in. Mommy. Bye, jump in there back on your mommy. Okay, what to come here?
No, come on, tired.
No, me not come out there. This is she a go here do the whole of the money. Me want it back. Oh! come on your teeth and money and the teeth you bring it from.
What's the present here with it?
Me not business give it to me. You're bright. You will take money and they run away.
But I me make your
Christ.
teethy.
This is your tool or this here?
When you're too cheap. Go buy juice.
No man!
Go buy juice. I'm here your teethy.
And I'm here to take money and me want to take money and make back and me and do the whole life. You're bright. Yeah, but that tool they make me
Me I
think.
go tell her mother sorry.
Me business. Me make my friend Donya. She a bad girl.
Alright.
Right.
Evening.
Where I come from?
Over my friend.
You love what about?
I don't walk about you never day and time boring.
Listen me, time can't boring in your yard. We
You
not.
always born now you alternative TV you don't have to keep nobody company.
What about phone? You have phone, you don't need TV. Everything with the on TV, the on the phone. You have Google, you on the phone. You have Netflix, on the phone. You have Disney, on the phone. You have where are the channel in there?
Sometimes when the phone dead up, you tell me some of you use the phone and chat. So the phone dead, me know the phone dead, me can watch something on the TV.
You can't buy no TV right now. I cannot buy no TV. TV go entertain a friend them over here. I don't want them over here.
What make you know want them over here?
Then too, she bad. She say her father a pastor. And you see, oh, she got on. I look at him and look me. Eh?
Are you, if you never uphold with it, you would do it.
I did
Or
not
she would
uphold with it.
continue.
I don't do that. I don't do those stuff. And when the time come and me have money, me buy a television. No, you don't worry about that.
What name, sir?
Television.
Television, TV,
Oh. Well, TV. What name?
TV.
Oh. So where you are question me then from?
Then
Anyway, shut up.
daddy me home.
Anyway you come from, you should have make sure you did feed your full belly. That is the thing.
Me eat there, and then look walk up, everything walk.
Can't help you. Morning, me have little crackers and sardine in there.
Every day you feed me for crackers and sardine.
Sprinkle salt on the sardine is nice. Not no nice like that when you sprinkle salt on the sardine and eat with the crackers. If you have little pepper, you could have put on the same time and eat it. Man,
Me no want.
how what you want? You want steak? You want lobster?
I come in on a lobster, no more good food. If I have a chicken,
Oh, you want chicken? You want chicken? Check the phone and when they run up and down.
you go catch you, I tell me for check.
Catch one of them, chop off the neck, drop him in the hot water, pick off the feather, chop off the top part of them, put it on a pressure cooker and cook it. Adios, go on in. Kabush. Go on in, I never seen up on the road. What say to you, sir? What me, I know you may talk to. Okay. I know you may talk to. Eh? You dumb. Go on inside, you're bright. I saw you about your mama. Continue to follow that little Jezebel. Continue to follow her. Man, yo.
Wonder shall never end. The little thief get catch.
And I make it from
Oh, me no want to hear that, you know. I want to see. So I'm not business. Give me money.
Where you get it from? I made it in your pocket?
Or say, nah, no money if you give me none time.
No.
Yeah, your friend a thief.
Me the
And
girl in your
since
pocket?
uno parents want beat you know show
Me the
no
girl in your
manners,
pocket?
me I go bust your ass today, girl. Let me go. Top thief. Top thief. Top thief. Yeah, you fi top. You fi top thief. Top
I
yeah.
never me thief your money.
Top thief. Top.
I never me thief your money.
Here, there.
Yeah, man. For me thief money.
Oi. Oh, you want so bright?
With what?
What you do over here? Me think you had the wrong gun.
You hear that?
Me?
Me can pass back out there, so.
You're fool!
With,
You can't talk about making like a big fat cow beat you.
me can beat that the big fat something there.
What I mean? Would I help you? But that's true, my bad girlfriend never did me no help. But me can't say you're fool.
You don't see one thing stung for me and press me out.
You're fool, you know? You know, no sense at all. Never see nothing like I do yet.
Me make him beat me and you run.
Me? I'm me run for myself.
Kelly,
Huh?
me say girl. Me see one big sea cow up there so a blood on the place.
See cow?
Manatee. You know that animal there, big ugly on them?
See cow?
Yes, me see him up there so a blood on the place say, he wait till he reach to a maga girl we come and thief him like a $2,000.
Oh, you're talking like a big flat that girl? She is a...
Yeah.
I have $2,000, $2.
How you know about that?
Cause she tends to thief the money.
Me not tell her thief now.
Yeah,
They
and
don't
you're
say-
beat her.
I'm good.
And you run.
He should have grab out the green out of your head.
Anytime I fight, she ever did this, so me can't run. Me have to run. You want me to talk about that beat up? Yeah, idiot?
But are you thieving money?
That no sense.
Then now you tell her to do it. Me believe her no cause of my childhood bestie this year.
Oh, Tabada.
Right.
So I help you go, but I never did it.
Yeah, me understand.
I mean, they take the beat up.
You don't send him that yard.
Yeah, go yard, okay? You know,
You deserve an next beating. More see she beat.
Find a yard, go on now.
Me no go beat her that way.
Who? You mad? See me an idiot?
You feeling
Oh
one?
man, they walk up on the palm of my veranda with a wet up dirty slippers.
One away is no kingfish. Don't know what wrong with him.
Girl, me thief your money.
So make it easy.
That she said she showed me the money on my TV and show me the hunger at the moment.
Maybe access something. There's a link on the video over here. Me sure one thing as bad as thing be now make you hungry.
No. You know, give me no money. You feed me, you give me money. More money, me can buy cigarette, rum, everything.
Me Jesus.
And me can buy condom.
Oh my God.
Wait, do you change?
Me not change.
Oh.
I know that. I can't never the things that you don't have is you other city if you go a shop and go buy there something there.
Oh.
Yes. And me I tell us that the Lord is good. He woke
Yes.
us up this morning.
God is
Sir,
so
1
good.
minute. And dear Father, as we come to you, Lord, please hear our humble cry. In your name I pray, Lord.
Amen. I didn't know that.
What is going on the veranda, you know? What going to say, you know? What going
No, go on. We just did a prayer and then you come and I don't know what's top of your throat. You just come and ahem.
But for the prayer, look like the prayer, they not
No, a long time
answer
we
them the
have
type of
prayer.
prayer they want to have.
No,
prayer.
they say
Yes.
speak to God like God is your friend. So if you ever just stand up and you just say, God help me get through this. God hear you know a prayer that is
Number one, you do ya?
no.
Number 2, what you do ya?
How we live?
Nothing.
Oh! I was going to say yes, you live.
Then know your father, this girl.
No,
Jesus Christ.
sometimes you be
They come like say, if bad company then what you keep, you see? And manipulate your head and I turn in a lunatic. Me never
Lunatic.
Yeah.
A lunatic, daddy.
Listen to me.
Lunatic.
Anyway you want to call it, if you want lunatic or any formatic or just stick.
My mommy there.
Me realize anytime your mother gone on the road. How what happen?
No, me not check because I don't know why you do that so quick.
Because me not understand what go on. They come like you know key conference on the veranda. When we come now, they come like you change the topic for me.
No.
No, how to change the paper? Yeah,
That's
bad.
a question. You read the Bible for me?
Yes.
Who says so?
Me. You just see?
Mama say people them have no name, have your name on road, so you walk and thief money, you know. And mama say me no grow thief in my yard, you know.
No, you say I'm going to have the woman.
Yeah, but me no grow thief in my yard.
But me never take the money. Daddy, you know say you know.
And if you go find something in a yard.
You sleep. Right, you don't get a vision this last night.
No, me no get no vision.
Me not thief no money.
I shall know if you thief me money or what, because me get to understand for y'all the kid with the look all jahead girl out the road there, so me realize say your skin a catch a fire and they come like say them a manipulate your head if you take up man. But I have something in store for you. You lily girl. That's all licking at you.
You know I'm mad, you understand? You know?
Your father look young in a age but old in a soul.
Yeah, for sure. And my mother, I don't know what my mother do with him. I have to put him out, man. I tell you, every day I get up and preaching at people. You see, my mother now, I can go round my mother head. Like a merry-go-round.
Yeah.
Can play with his head and tell him what to do. You see, me tell mother say, me don't do that, my mother believe me. Him, he must say me do it, and me not do it.
Me know your pattern every time I come here, come like
It
say
just
a
means
conference
already.
meeting. Either way, I left my thing mackerel on fire and I have to go.
Oh.
I don't want to burn up later.
Come back tomorrow. Don't want me to start power back now. Me don't want the girl beat me up.
Yeah, me I come far back with the girl. I know me not understand.
Right. So don't go on the road. No, go on the road. Daddy, no go on the road. Oh, no go on the road. Daddy!
Oi!
Come here.
Yes, my daughter.
Me go on the road. Go me mommy like how she soon come on.
Go on the road, go do what?
Meet mommy.
Meet your mother.
Yeah.
Make sure you send up friend and company. I go parent go look in go keep in a local girl.
Me say me go meet my mother and my mother me dey go meet. Don't tell me what me dey go do for me now.
I know stay no as cat take her dangerous. Me say what time I know.
You see my mother?
Half up 4 now. I make sure by 5 o'clock I reach back in the yard. You know.
Yeah, mommy they come from work now. Bye.
Okay.
Yes, bye. Go on in. Cook food so mommy can get and
You might get you hungry in here.
Me can't get hungry because mommy can't cook unlike you.
Hey, no, oi, come here. Come here.
What
So,
happened?
long me I look for you.
Stop it no laugh.
Eh? You're not call, you're not text. Nothing. Search.
My phone mash up my father take it from me.
You don't remember say you have something for me.
What? What happened?
Come like me lick sense in your head.
So to me.
You want me lick sense in your head? We have is yours.
Yes.
I want me 300,000.
No! 100.
Which 100?
100.
300. Every time you come to me. Serious.
How are you?
300,000. You have 300,000 for me. I need the money.
Know yourself.
Me not rap. Don't touch.
Give me 20 right now and make yesterday.
Me done with them the games. Done with them the games. There.
What kind of games?
You go reach a 400 now.
No, me said give me 20 right now and I make it right now. I
Me not give no money.
So you want to give you the money?
I want my money back.
Me have money to give you, but the money
I want back my
me
money.
have the money. Right?
So we do with all that money we give you.
I done this so. I done this so she leave.
Done this so.
Yeah, and turn the car and I go
Thank you
through
very
the-
much. Yeah, thank you very much.
Hey, celebrate us. Wagwan, yes, so.
No, I look
Me
at
see
you.
her and I ask her about direction. You know, cause me new to the place. I not really know. I'm a grand uncle. Me calling, and they stay with him up so. So me just like come around the place
Oh,
and
cause
say,
she underage, you know.
no, sir. Me not do that. Me not do.
Make sure.
Me did I look at young miss?
No.
Me never
Cause
did I
me
look
no want
at
me
her.
daughter have
No,
no
mommy.
broke man. You there?
Right.
Me no want me daughter have no broke man.
So you will give your daughter man.
Yes, and a rich man too. Out of order.
And you say young, you can give. So if me did rich, I give me him.
Yeah. But you know rich, you're poor.
So if me old, still I give me him.
No, rich, you don't understand.
No,
rich
so if
man,
me, alright.
rich man.
So if me all are rich, you give me him.
You have to have a crown of drive. And you have to run whole heap of
make it-
hotels.
Crown little mum, you don't know that I want Benz me up, you know. Me
No,
just,
me-
I told me I walk round here.
Ain't
Me
no
not go
Benz.
drive me car.
Eh?
Me not go drive me car.
She said
for-
you don't have no Benz.
But you don't know me, young miss, you know me?
Me no know, but me no say none of them.
So we are quintal fence over.
No, me not quit or something on my eye.
Why are you eye?
Fly.
If your father man will say what you talk to broke man, you're dead.
Me no have nothing.
Anyways, I don't hear with me.
Yeah, go on, man.
Every time go on.
Thanks, eh?
Yeah. Eh? Me keep on. I trick me trick daddy tell daddy say me I come out and come meet her, but me never come meet her. Me I go different places.
Where?
Me I look for my friend then.
Which friend?
They might want to come over yard. She beat up her. Someone say if she alright.
Beat up who?
He beat up the new one, the new friend. Me have it.
Fewa.
But choose them with thief money, I will never thief no money.
Oh.
So he bust up her face and say she want to beat up me. I have to run, woman, run me
Beat
down.
who pick me?
Me have to run.
You know me feel belly pain.
I don't know. She beat me up. No, she not beat up me, no, she beat up her. So just tell daddy
Look up
say,
your man. If she beat you, she beat you. She not beat you, she just not beat you.
no, nobody can make me left.
Oh, come let her feed you.
Yes.
Oh.
So just go on over and just,
Come, we are go over.
no, just tell daddy. We go check for the girl. Just tell daddy say. No, mommy, just go on over and tell daddy say.
Alright.
You say him than your mother. Tell him something. Tell him something. Yeah, me ready to come in the yard yet.
Good evening, ma'am.
We're good for.
My daughter just gone out the road, say she a go meet us, so I don't
So you
understand
ask
what
her for she missing I don't want to my mother.
me tell her, say you spoil the little girl, you know. And you
Me
spoil
can't
the
take
little
it
girl, you
a
know.
date with you right now, sir.
And you spoil the girl, little daughter, you know. Me know my daughter grew up like no crop, you know, brother. Mommy, this is a Christian yard, you know. And they come like, all they teach me, I teach you, know. They come like on the sentimental and the mental retarded. Me know you
Listen
fuck up
to
my
me.
daughter.
Listen.
What my daughter there?
No question me, man.
But your sister she really left go meet. Me not understand.
And me tell her, say me send her down to my mother. What wrong with you?
So you tell us.
We are what she pick me for.
Me don't watch her, but me don't want she keep cause me say she a keep some bad.
She not
friend
keep
up
no
there,
bad
so, brother.
company.
How you know that?
Cause me know me daughter like that.
You know your daughter like that?
Yes.
You see you? Your daughter go shame you one of them days,
Make
you
him
know.
shame me.
One of them days your daughter go shame you know.
So
you
what
hear me
me
say?
so what? I don't
You hear me say look well.
Make
Because
him
you come
shame
like when you talk, it come like a win.
You come here say you get bad, you get vision. No, you come with this thieving argument.
Remember I vision,
And you come-
well I know, you see vision, me tell about other day, me tell her say, them a go lick down his daughter, them a go beat her, me see one girl beat her off, it a go come to pass, you know, Mark say me tell
I
her
know
that, you know.
she them beat, they must get news straight.
You don't beat nobody yet, but watch out go on.
You must
Watch
get
out,
news
go
because
on.
we see how
You see
tired
God-
and she said them beat up.
God
the
not
girl.
sleep, you hear?
Me know say
You
God
see
not
how you?
sleep. You know we go to church.
Oh, be unto them.
You know we go
Only
to
them
church.
pick me astray. Oh, be unto
Let
them.
me lead
You see
her
how
astray.
you? You better go look for me that time.
Me give her a man. Me give her a man. Awa. You satisfied now?
Wait a second, look at
She have a rich man now.
my daughter, too young for man.
Me say she have a rich
My
man
daughter
now.
too young for man. My daughter too young for man. And then they sit here and broke up my daughter in. My daughter too young.
Me say she have a rich man. I you up here have it off me. Me daughter. Too much of you know, man. What me tell you? Too much of you know.
It's alright. It's alright.
More man right. Right so.
What make you think so? Me dey go on me.
Are you going to change your shots? I'm going to close your teeth. Come over them there, you know.
Girl, remember me your best friend who have matching clothes. Me no know what
Oh,
you doing.
I hear
here.
on that.
Yes, I feel more on
You
this
must have
one.
my one tear up.
Oh, good.
What there?
One dog, sing dog.
Oh, what's that girl?
Speak.
Come over yard, me want to go. Come here, say,
go
mommy,
for
box done, daddy.
And that go on.
Yes! Box, you know, me say, he call me, you know. And I say, hello? Then I say, you put a box, me know. Say, come on. But me, I'm take a dopey dog about that.
Yes.
Yes.
The dog now, I can't tell you, me nothing from
So dopey, you call me, girl.
we are best to be able
Just push me,
Let
so girl.
me ask you something now. You see, every time your yard ever have some festivity, and then not happen anytime it did it, they happen before me come or after me gone.
Me don't know, you just not to catch it. I mean, I tell you, me go up the road.
Mm-hmm.
And me try to fool this man.
Yeah.
But instead of me fool him, and him fool me, and mash me up. I don't got no use.
Of course. But tell you, say you need to stop doing that. And you think I'm kidding?
Hi. Where are the people there?
Hi.
Where are the pastor devil? Huh? Ask him father go like a Christian and a Christian nothing.
Everybody knows him for no holy.
Don't touch
Stop
me.
touch my father no girl.
You don't know the word name. Do not touch me. Don't touch me. No. Don't like me. I'm not about
You
it.
know, so yeah, anybody ever refuse me, I must stop it. Come on, why you refuse me for? What wrong with me?
Hey, may I see him yet? I know I be my stepmama.
Oi.
I'm your stepmother, money, me and take you, no, me
Grab
don't
your
care.
ass by your yard. Where you at?
Jag me go.
Why your yard?
Jag your ass. Go your yard. So jag your ass for the ground go your yard.
Why your yard?
What?
Yeah, yard. You know, see out of my data company. Got lucky. Look at catch a girl and get out of it.
Say, my look idiot boy chair.
Yeah, what do
Him
you?
said one. You see me out so what day and tap me. And I tell boy one back in whole and 300,000.
Send a plan for game.
Give up what? No. I'm saying me did it now. And he come here sturdy. I'm say student chat about how he want the money. I say give me 20 grand. I me give you some. I me get it. And me say today I get the money. Give me what? Me pill him again.
What's that?
Oh. Me not catch you now. Where get me with what me do? What me do?
2 grand we take.
Push 2 grand. Push 2 grand. Take your
Why
pocket.
2 grand we take out of my
At
pocket?
$2.
Me
Push 2
want it
grand.
back and me want it back. No.
No. At $2. Not all for me.
$2. You think say me no farmer job with a girl?
Hello, you're not defend me. You're not defend me. Yes. Done, I'm a friend. Oh, come on, must buck you. Right. What you want to do? I don't love you, no. I don't love you.
Say I'm the best fan life.
If I didn't eat that one in beat up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, me glad how your woman up and turn up to your problems. I want my money today.
You want your money? Today.
Today,
Which
want
money? But you don't say you eat that.
Me not ramp it up.
Yeah, really eat
Me not
that.
ramp it up, Kayla.
Every time, much me gone. Tell much me gone. Every time.
From money there.
Me see you, I say, I give somebody coaching ala. You give me money. You say you eat that. You know sense? Give me 20 grand I get right now for true. This
Yeah. You want what? Like an handicap?
Who's handicap? Remember my handicap? Where am I also, huh? See what I want?
Yeah. Oh, you take it for joke.
Me take
You take
everything
it
for
for
joke. You can't do me
You not
nothing.
give me money.
No.
You not give me money.
No. You're not back me for now.
Girl, that one at the
You
fire.
not give me money, Kayla. Don't move. Tomorrow. No make tomorrow.
Okay. So at this side, the boy, the local broke pocket boy, where your mama set
Oh,
your
bro.
on.
Who broke?
Huh? At this side, look how this boy.
Oi.
Look how thieving boy.
Oi.
Your mama set you up on.
Daddy, me feel come out here and push on the boy can boy beat her daughter. You don't do it. How you do? How you do? Tell me what you do, Daddy. We are trying to Daddy. I beat you really and try
Yeah, man,
to beat
beat
me.
you.
Eh?
Beat you.
You see your
I said,
little?
I can't find out really kind of look.
Look how mommy beat you. You want me big me?
Okay. So your mama, come on, put me down. Put me down.
Tomorrow. Want my money.
Guys, you made it at the end of this video. And we're here with Trey.
Woof, me there.
Yeah.
From
Guys.
Grand Peoples.
And Trey started his own YouTube channel because he feel like he don't want to talk about it when me talk about it. We need to know if you subscribe. I'll also be
Yeah,
on that
man.
channel too.
New channel, man.
Yeah.
I come out with a movie with mad and bad toxic relationship. Yeah, man. For people know I look for channel name Treyway Films. You see me? You know, say we are gonna do. Please subscribe to Papa and Trey YouTube channel. You see me?
Yeah. And remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because sometimes we don't like, I don't share, I don't subscribe, but you know what you should do.
Right.
If you don't do that, me I go look at my name GPS. I mean find on the yard and go look for you and tell you what people in no business.
Believe she will do it.
Oh, cause you know
And I
I like,
like.
comment and share and subscribe.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so remember guys, please me I beg you know. Me not like beg you know, but me I beg for your time. Father God, please make people with a kind heart to send you $10 or even $1,000 to go up on the trip. Because I really want to go up on the trip. I want to go on a plane. I've never been on a plane before. I hope you guys can do that. Me I beg you know,
We never go
please.
either.
Yeah, I thought I want to go.
Yeah, man. Enough love and respect.
Yeah, peace out. You know,